Hello everyone, welcome back to our gardening series. Today, we're going to show you how to grow your very own clementine tree from seeds. Clementines, also known as Citrus reticulata, are delightful citrus fruits that you can easily grow at home. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need fresh, viable clementine seeds. You can collect these from store-bought fruit or purchase them from a reputable seed retailer. Rinse the seeds under lukewarm tap water to remove any fruit flesh, which could cause mold or fungus. Next, place the clean seeds in a cup of lukewarm tap water and let them soak for 24 hours. While not necessary, this step can increase germination success. If you're not planting immediately, dry the seeds completely and store them in an airtight container in a cool place. We will need some clean containers with proper drainage holes. It is important to note that clementine seedlings have long taproots, so it is recommended to opt for deep containers to accommodate their root growth. This will ensure that the roots have enough room to develop and the plant can thrive without being constrained. Using clean containers with adequate drainage and selecting deep containers for clementine seedlings will provide the optimal conditions for their growth and development. Fill the containers with well-drained potting soil, ensuring that there is adequate space for the seeds to grow. Leave about 1 inch of space at the top of the containers to allow room for the seeds to germinate and flourish. It is important to use high-quality potting soil to provide the necessary nutrients for the seeds to thrive. To effectively start planting clementine seeds, it is crucial to create a firm and stable surface on the topsoil. This will provide a solid foundation for the seeds to germinate and grow successfully. Plant 3 clementine seeds in each container and ensure to space them evenly to allow for proper growth and air circulation. This will provide the seeds with enough room to develop and thrive, ultimately leading to healthier and more robust plants. Now use your finger to press down each seed into the soil to ensure they are properly planted and secure. This step is crucial in promoting healthy growth and development of your plants. By gently pressing down on each seed, you are creating a firm connection with the soil that will help the seedling establish strong roots and thrive in its new environment. Add some soil over the top of each container. This will help the seeds to establish strong roots and provide a stable foundation for growth. By covering the seeds with soil, you are creating a protective barrier that will help retain moisture and nutrients, encouraging healthy germination and seedling development. Make sure to gently pat down the soil to ensure good seed-to-soil contact, promoting optimal growth conditions for your plants. Gently water the soil, and remember to avoid overwatering, as this can lead to waterlogging and fungal diseases, ultimately causing harm to your seeds. To maintain humidity, cover the containers with a small transparent bag, securing it with an elastic band if needed. This will help keep heat and moisture in. Always take care to water evenly and thoroughly, ensuring that the soil is adequately moistened without becoming waterlogged. Place your pot in a bright location, such as near a sunny window or on a balcony, where it can receive a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Clementine seed will germinate in about 20 to 25 days. The lower the temperature of the potting soil, the longer time it will take to germinate, so be patient. Once your seedling emerges and grows larger than the bag, you can remove it. Continue to water the seedling whenever the surface of the soil feels dry. When roots appear around the drainage holes, it's time to transplant your clementine seedlings into single pots, ensuring they have plenty of sunlight and space. And there you have it. Growing clementines from seeds is a rewarding process that anyone can try at home. With patience and care, you can grow your own clementine tree from seed. Remember, it may take 4 to 5 years to bear fruit, but the journey is well worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own clementine growing experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!